Okay, so we finished another build, and this one's in the Omega X6 Titan glass. So as you can see right up front, it's tempered glass. It has ventilation at the side for the fans to breathe, though I don't really know if that's enough. Not really a fan of like front panels that are covered either tempered glass or plastic, whatever. I want a case that's got like fresh air coming in front. So we got RGB fans all over this mid-tower case, and yep, there's the video card. It's an RTX 2080 from Aorus. The motherboard is a gaming M5, also from Aorus. Got that M.2 SSD right there, 970 Evo, Thermaltake water cooling. We have a slim radiator right here, 360 at 360 mil slim radiator, a D5 pump. Got this custom acrylic, which was laser cut and etched with the word Memento Mori. That I'm not sure what that means. Also, this case doesn't support vertical GPU mounting by default, so we dremeled this case a little bit here at the back. PCIe slot was dremeled, and then we used the mounting kit, the vertical mounting kit from Cooler Master. This is part of it, so we were able to do that because they didn't want me to water cool the graphics card, as they are really in love with how the Aorus cooler is, so we left it that way. And for the power supply, we didn't use extension cables. Why? Because the back of the case, how do I show this? My lens is not wide enough. Okay, move back a bit. Yeah, it's tempered glass, and it's got enough space to fit a peanut. So I don't know about that, but I'd rather have like a metal sheet side panel at the back of the case rather than tempered glass, and not have space for cable management, especially with all these RGB stuff. You know, I'm gonna use controllers for that, and it's hard to cable manage. And did I miss the Aorus RGB DDR4 memory sticks? Yep, they're not so big with Aorus, aren't they? But yes, there's another look. And it has a Core i7 8700K. So they said they'll be gaming on this. They game a lot. So I hope they like how this one turned out. That's all. Goodbye.